Phantom 4. No app. You don't need the app to fly this. I haven't had it out in like, wow. It's been a bit. There, I just put it in the sport mode. Look how wicked it is in that sport mode. Look at this thing. I mean, this thing, look at it. Look at the pitch on it. Look at that. Wow, that thing is so boss. Wow. Oh yeah. P4 in the shizzle house. Yeah, this is such a sweet drone, man. And this is the original, right? This is not the souped up stuff. This is the original. Wow, that thing is nice. I wonder if you can record. Now there is the record button you can use without the app, but I don't know if. Let me see if I'm gonna hit it. If the video works, I'll put it in there. But I don't know if the lights are gonna change color or what. Wait a minute, let me see. Did that start flashing faster there or what? Let me turn it back off. No. So I don't know if it's actually working or not, but I'll turn it on again. Oh yeah, it just warmed up today, actually, after being so crappy for like 7, 8 days in a row. Good Lord, was it nasty out. Cold as hell, raining all the time. Wow, nasty as crap. Sun came out today, so I figured I've been wanting to dust this thing off for a while. So, oh yeah, this is such a nice drone, guys. Even the original. This is so... I think I might have said this last year when I was up at the Ohio River. This is such a leap forward from the Phantom 3, the Phantom 4. It's just like night and day a better drone. Okay, Phantom 3 was great, don't get me wrong. But really, they went to the next level with this thing. I mean, when this thing first came out, this thing was the shiz-nizzle, right? Yeah, it's just so nice. So nice. All right, guys, I just wanted to dust it off, and then we're gonna go. I'm gonna go up to the Beaver Run Reservoir with this thing. I wonder if I could hand catch it. I don't know. I always make those hand catch videos, but I don't know if I want to do that one. Yeah, that worked out pretty good. That was pretty easy, actually. Okay. Here, I thought that was going to be something difficult, and it wound up being nothing. Yeah, this thing's, man, this is so nice. And I put the original props back on. Those low noise props on this were no good. I didn't like them. All right, guys, have a nice day. I'll talk to you later.